Improve your English in 10 minutes a day. 10 daily tips from expert teachers. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to the channel. If you're busy and don't have much time to study, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to improve your English in just 10 minutes a day using powerful and proven techniques. These are tips used by fluent English speakers and language teachers all over the world. Let's get started. 1. Start with mirror. Talking. Talking to yourself in the mirror may sound funny, but it's a powerful technique. Look at yourself and describe your day, your plans, or your feelings in English. This builds confidence, pronunciation, and fluency. For example, today I feel great because I'm practicing English. I will meet my friend later. Do this for just 2-3 minutes daily. 2. Practice shadowing. Shadowing means listening to a native speaker and repeating what they say at the same time. Choose a short video, podcast, or speech. Try to copy the tone, rhythm, and pronunciation. You can use materials like TED Talks or short scenes from movies. Repeat a 1-minute clip 2-3 times. This improves listening and speaking at the same time. 3. Listen actively. Spend 2 minutes listening to something in English, a song, a podcast, or a YouTube short. Don't just listen passively. Try to understand the meaning, guess unknown words from the context, and repeat key phrases. For example, listen to a motivational speech and write down 2 sentences you liked. 4. Write 1 small paragraph a day. In just 3 minutes, you can write about your day, what you ate, what you learned, or how you feel. Don't worry about making mistakes. Just write. Over time, you'll build vocabulary and grammar automatically. Example: I had rice and chicken for lunch. It was delicious. After that, I watched a video in English. 5. Use flashcards, digital or paper. Spend 2 minutes reviewing or learning 3 to 5 new words. Use flashcards apps like Anki or Quizlet, or write them on small cards. Always write a word, its meaning, and a sentence. For example, to improve, to make something better. I want to improve my English. 6. Self-talking during routine. While cooking, walking, or getting ready, try talking to yourself in English. For example, I'm cutting tomatoes now. They are red and juicy. This turns daily life into practice. It makes English a natural part of your thinking, even when you're busy. 7. Read a short text or article. Find a short article, about 1-minute reading time, from websites like News in Levels or BBC Learning English. Read out loud to practice pronunciation and speed. Try to summarize what you read in 1 sentence after reading. This improves vocabulary and reading fluency. 8. Keep a mini journal in English. Spend 1 to 2 minutes each night writing 1 sentence about how your day was. Example: today I learned how to use the word although in a sentence. This helps with writing, reflection, and language retention. It also shows your progress when you read past entries. 9. Repeat 1 phrase. Many times. Repetition is key. Choose 1 useful sentence each day and repeat it 10 times aloud. For example, could you please repeat that? Or, I didn't understand. Can you explain again? This builds automatic speaking habits and confidence in conversations. 10. Be consistent, not perfect. The most important thing is to be consistent. 10 minutes a day is enough if you do it every single day. Set a timer, use a notebook, and celebrate small wins. Remember, speaking a language is not about being perfect. It's about making progress step by step. And that's it. You don't need hours of study, just 10 focused minutes a day can transform your English. Start today with 1 or 2 of these techniques. Which one will you try first? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next English learning video. See you soon!